viewers, this is your youth librarian Annamarie from the Westerville Public Library, excited to create that Storytime at home experience for all of you. Keep watching for an idea on how to make a baby play activity similar to those we use in our playtime after our standard baby story time that you can create from around the house objects that hopefully will keep your little one engaged for a little while. All materials and information will also be in the description below. This week's stay at home and play activity is actually really great for all ages, so babies, toddlers, even preschoolers, as it really helps promote those fine motor skills. It's also really simple. It just requires some kind of hard surface. This is a container of the lid of one of those storage containers. You could use a piece of cardboard. You could use a semi-sturdy cardboard box. If you have a wall or a surface, even a fridge maybe, that tape can come off of pretty easily without damaging it, anything is fantastic. That surface, tape of any kind, I'd suggest something that is not stronger than masking tape, just again so you don't damage the items that you tape or the surface you're taping on, but masking tape, even Scotch tape, all works great. And then toys that your baby already plays with. My items are sort of random from around my house, but items that your baby or your child really loves are perfect for this, that are pretty small but not choking hazard. All you're doing is taping those items to that hard surface. So I used that masking tape and taped some of these items to the surface, and all a little one has to do is they have to peel that tape back to get to their favorite toy. It's pretty easy for an adult to set up. Can be a little challenging for a little one to complete, especially the smaller ones that are really trying to build those finger muscles. For older ones who one piece of tape might be too easy, put 3 pieces of tape. Use different size tape. This is something that is probably good to monitor little ones who like to put items in their mouth, just in case that tape gets crumpled into something pretty small. But for those older ones or ones less prone to eating activities, this can be a great self-sufficient activity as well. And it's really easy and essentially free. So taped toys, check it out.